Hey everybody, Professor Benlou here with a brief video to get you geared up for Unit 2. Unit 2, a very busy week because of the Unit 2 discussion board being due, and I will get into that. But first of all, let me go over my office hour chat schedule for the week. On Monday, which will be the 24th of August, I will be holding my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. And then Tuesday, August 25th, I'll be holding my chat number 2 at our regularly scheduled time. Check out the classroom for those particular details. Okay, so Unit 1, we are wrapping up. You have one due date remaining for Unit 1, which is Tuesday, August 25th. You have your Unit 1 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. You had your Unit 1 determined knowledge due on Friday, which was the 21st, and you should have already gotten that in and already completed. Please do so if you have not done so already. And the same goes for the Unit 1 discussion board. It was due on Friday, August 21st. If you haven't finished it, please do so. Get that in. I've enjoyed reading your Unit 1 discussion boards and getting to know you, those of you that have turned it in. Okay, so very important due dates with Unit 2. Unit 2 due dates that you need to be aware of. There are two important things due on Friday, August 28th. Firstly, you have your Unit 2 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, folks, it's extremely important to get in your determined knowledge by the Friday deadline, because completing the determined knowledge by the Friday deadline allows the system to create the learning nodes or learning path that you need to complete for the Tuesday deadline. And plus, like I've explained in chat number 1, it cuts down on your workload, and who would not want that? Okay, so also due on Friday, August 28th is your Unit 2 discussion board original post. You should be starting to work on this assignment. It's extremely important. Remember, you have two important writing assignments this semester. The first being your Unit 2 discussion board, and the second being your Unit 4 discussion board. So get this in. So Friday the 28th, you have your Unit 2 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is where you choose out of the 6 topics. You pick one of the primary documents to analyze and write your post on that. And then on Tuesday, which will be September 1st, you also have 2 important assignments due. Firstly, you're going to have your Unit 2 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And secondly, on September 1st, importantly, you're going to have your Unit 2 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, this is where you respond to 2 of your classmates. And remember, I love my students. Y'all are so supportive of one another, but just don't leave it as, you did a great job, Jane, on your assignment. You answered all the questions for your topic. I can't wait to read more of your posts. While that's awesome and so supportive, I want you to go beyond that. I want you to tailor your post to your classmates' post and answer the questions that I have listed in the PowerPoint. And that will be awesome. So you want to further the conversation is basically what your goal is. So anyway, I wish you an awesome week, and please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and get to work on that Unit 2 DB and let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one, everybody.